Hello, greetings everyone. My name is Sandup Lama, and today I'll be talking about a few questions mentioned on the discussion. Mm, I'll be starting off with set cardinality. It's basically the number of elements in a set. So as you can see, I've got an example that I've solved. Um, Here, we're given 27 John CSCE, which is in a separate set of his own, so we count it as one. And then Mary, 45 CSCE, and then two empty sets. And since we're counting this as one, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the set cardinality is 6. And the other one is partitions. Basically, it's dividing the elements inside of a set, and there can be no repetitions. You can make as many amount of sets you can create from the given main set. For example, we got P, which has 1, 2, 5, 4, 8, and 6. So when we're dividing them, we did 1, 2, 5, 4, 8, and 6. So over here we could have just put 8 and 6 together and it would still be valid. Or what you can do is you can separate 1, 2, 3, there's no 3, 1, 2, 5, 4, 8, and 6 into its separate set and it would still be correct. The other one we'll be talking about is power set. It's basically the same thing as partitions, but to see how many partitions or how many subsets we can create out of a given set. So we're given S equals A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7. So we use the formula, which is 2 to the power n, to find the power set of any given set. N is the number of elements inside a set. So since we're given S equals A1 to A7, there's like 7 elements in it. So the power set of S equals 2 to the power 7, which is 128. It means we can have 128 subsets of these 7 elements. And the next one will be partial and total functions. So we're given a equals x and y, where y equals 3x and x and y both are real numbers, and b equals x and y, where y equals -2 by x plus 1, and both x and y are real numbers. So when I solved them, like when we're solving them, I got the value for y equals 3x. So let me say x is 1, right? So y equals 3, right? And that's a real number. Both 1 and 3 are real numbers, and which means a is a total function. Whereas b, when we're solving this, if we put -1, it would be -2 divided by 0, which is undefined, meaning it's partial function. So another thing is a function is total only if for every input, which is allowed by the domain, the formula provided, which in this case is either y equals 3x or y equals -2 by x plus 1, produces an output that is inside the codomain. Yep. So, and the next one is traversing graph. So basically we need to find DFS and BFS, where BFS is breadth first search, where we look into all the neighbors at the same time, while DFS is depth first search, where we go into the smallest value or the smallest neighbor first, and then if we come into a dead end, then come back and go to the other smallest one. So here it's asking us to start on 2 and then end at 6. So we need to get to 6, right? So there's 3 different directions we can go to, and since it's BFS, we need to go to all 3 of them at the same time. So 1, we go to 3, and then we go to 4 as well. And then we need to go to 6, so we go to 5 and 7 at the same time. So 5 and 7, and then we end at 6, which is BFS. And then we find DFS, which is depth first search. It means we go to the smallest one. We start from 6 and end at 4. And so we go to the smallest one first. So 5 and 7. 5, and then 3, and then 2, and then there's 2 directions, which is 1 and 4. But we'll go to the small one first, then we go to 1, and then 4. And that's how we get DFS. Thank you.